what has happened is our educated people have gone mainly to South Africa and the region, some to Great Britain, and they are busy developing other people's countries. They are not actually developing Zimbabwe. But this is because the opportunities for development here are very few. Then secondly, our banking system. The banking system we inherited was mainly for whites. And up till now, we have had very limited number of black people accessing conventional banking. Now, a change took place when we started having cell phone banking. I think now cell phone banking has opened banking to everybody. Mm-hmm. So those are two institutions, the education system and the banking system, which needed to be laid as a foundation. I think the banking system is still being the foundations are still being laid. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So I think some of the problems we have were there anyway. We could not resolve either education or banking overnight. However, you may say, what about 37 years after independence? And I think the problem is really that we were not clear how we would develop the economy. We thought that we could keep the Rhodesian economic system, which was a good system. But you have to remember that the whites were only 4% of the population. So what is a good system for 4% may have limitations when you try and expand it to 100%. And in fact, it's not expandable. Yeah. It's like saying, I got a sewing machine, it's a lovely sewing machine, now I want it to fly an aeroplane. It can't. Sewing machine can do sewing machine, can sew. An aeroplane has a different engine. So for us to have retained the Rhodesian systems is very problematic in terms of expanding the economy to cater for the whole population. It's impossible, actually. Yes. Yeah. I think you need to look at the systems change. And now you were asking me, what's the problem now? I think the problem now is we keep saying we need money, we need money, we need money. We don't hear people saying we need new industrial technology. We need to make tractors in Zimbabwe. We have 2 million farmers, and there's no tractor that you can buy, whether it's a small one, medium one, or big one, that is made in Zimbabwe. We have to import it, and probably the cheapest new one is about $18,000. Now that's not affordable for most Zimbabweans. So I think we should have been thinking, we have 2 million farmers, we've done land resettlement, we need more agricultural equipment, we need more agricultural machinery, and we should put our money there. Yeah, rather than say we need money, we need money, we need money, when we steal a whole lot of it. Maybe we steal a third or more of the money that we get.